Okay, number 10 here on my assignment is quite a bit different than anything else that we've done so far. I would caution you against trying to take a shortcut on this. A lot of times what people would do is be like, oh, well, we have to do, first of all, I copied this wrong. I got to put the negative in there. A lot of times people would say, well, we're just going to multiply these and we're going to get the square root of 100, okay? And it's just not that simple, okay? So be careful on that. What you want to think about is what each of these expressions is supposed to reduce down to. Well, the square root of negative 4 is really equivalent to 2i. All right, and the square root of negative 25 is the same as 5i. Remember, if you have a negative underneath the radical, that's where the I comes from. Well, we still have a couple more steps actually. Now we can multiply these, we get 10i squared. And that still is not acceptable, okay? In algebra, you can't leave anything ever with an I squared in it. There is no I squared in any of your answers, I promise you, okay? So to finish it, you have to remember that I squared is equal to negative 1, okay? And that would have been in the notes somewhere. So you can't leave anything with an I squared in your answer. So the answer on this one is just a negative 10. And I know some of you may come up with shortcuts for this, but that's me showing all the steps.